So last time we started with diaper rash. Diaper rash is frequent, repetition is there. It is seasonal, more common in summers and rainy season. And there is a small rash which progresses. So progression is also there. Itching may not be there because the child will not be able to tell that it is itching, but he will cry a lot. Burning will be there, similarly with crying. Known case of allergies, yes, it might be the case that it is particularly more with a particular brand, but overall if the skin tendency has diaper rash, then you will definitely have it for all brands. Other symptoms, the skin will look red, there will be no exposure to similar conditions, एक बच्चे से दूसरे बच्चे को नहीं होगा, immunization का कोई संबंध नहीं और stress levels का भी कोई संबंध नहीं. If you look at the skin color, it will be bright red again. If you see here, the skin color is bright red. So this is what the skin color will be. It will be a bright red color, specifically on the genitalia and the around the anus. So this is the skin color. And skin texture, it may or may not be rough. Scaling will not be there. There will be no pressure symptoms. Sensation, it may irritate. So if you touch it, the child may cry more. Functionally, there will be no loss in function. Oozing, if there is a secondary or opportunistic infection, there might be oozing. And there may be old scar marks of the last year, but normally not found. Okay, so now we come to the next, that is scabies. So scabies is a specific mite infection which is particularly there in the folds of the fingers. Most commonly the fingers of the hand, but it might also be there in the fingers of the feet, that is legs. Most commonly in the fingers of the hand, but it is there in most commonly it is there in the fingers of the hand. But see, if you see here, these are the folds of the hands. These are the folds of the hands. So scabies is a mite infection. It is very contagious, specifically found in children, and it is very common in the folds of the hands, though it might be there all over the body also. But the most common site is the fold of the hand. If you suspect scabies and if it is not, there is nothing at the fold of the hand, you can take it as a second diagnosis. So history, repetition. Scabies has two symptoms. One, it starts with one fold, then it grows around the areas of the fold, and then it will go to the other fold. So first fold, there are small, very small pus-like boils which will come. Of course, there is no pus. That those secretions are the eggs of the mites. So small pus-like secretions from the boils, which will, it is something like impetigo. Impetigo just as it spreads, but impetigo is not very common in the folds, whereas scabies is common in the folds. So repetition may be there, seasonal, usually there in the summer season. Why summer season? Because children play together for long times in summer season. So summer season. Progress, yes, one fold, then the other fold. Itching, severe itching, specifically in the night. Burning, may be there, may not be there. No allergies, no other symptoms. No exposure to similar people. So when one person has scabies, if a person shake hands or takes a ball from the other person, he is likely to get scabies. So exposure will be there. Immunization and stress is not related. Skin color will become a little bit dark. Texture, you will get boils. Scaling will not be there. Pressure will not be there. Sensation, no difference. Function, no difference. Oozing, yes, oozing will be there if you break the boil. And Scar marks will not be there because this is a superficial infection. This is a superficial infection. So after scabies, we come to paronychia. Paronychia is Paronychia. I feel everybody sometime or the other must have suffered from paronychia. Paronychia is a condition in which the nail bed, see this is the nail bed and this inflames. This is the nail bed. This inflames. So people who are more prone to um, washing utensils at home, बर्तन ज्यादा घसते हैं घर पे, तो उनको ये होने में, if you see all the maids, so this will be common in the maids. So paronychia is a infection of the nail bed. History repetition will be there because the this is common. So ऐसा दो साल पहले हुआ था, 3 साल पहले हुआ था, will be there. Seasonal is usually not there. Progression, first it will be red color, this color, and then slowly and steadily as the infection progresses, it will turn pus formation and yellowish color. So first it will be red color, then it come to yellowish color. Itching will not be there, burning will not be there, other known allergies will not be there. Other symptoms may pain will be one of the symptoms of paronychia. When you press the area, there will be pain because inflammation and nerve ending irritation is there. So other symptoms may pain aayega, exposure to similar not possible, immunization not possible, stress levels not possible. Skin color, I told you there will be two skin colors, one is this and one is this. This skin color will mark infection, this skin color will mark inflammation. So it will be either inflamed or the skin color will be infected. Scaling will not be there. Pressure, pain will be there in pressure. There will be no loss of function as such, but yes, because of pain, the functioning of the finger will be reduced. अगर हमको किसी चीज में दर्द होता है, तो we try to avoid that finger. So the maid will wash the utensil by keeping the finger top. She will not touch the utensil with the finger. So function will be hampered, but that is not because of the disease, it is because of the pain. If you have secondary infection, then oozing will be there because pus comes out and there will be no scar marks. Of course, sometimes when you have repeated paronychia, the nail bed turns this way. It will turn this way. It will turn rough or it will turn this way. See, this is a most ideal thing of the nail bed. So it will turn this way. The nail as such will have no symptoms because the nail is a dead thing. Nail, hair are all dead things. So nail will have no symptoms, but the nail bed, the bed around the area around the nail will have symptoms. Here, here, and here. So paronychia is a nail bed inflammation or nail bed infection. Okay, so now we move to the next, that is psoriasis. Psoriasis is something which we will commonly find. This is a classical classical case of psoriasis. Repetition is very common in psoriasis. Seasonal, yes, in cold season, specifically in cold season, psoriasis will mount up. Progress, first it will be such a small spot. If you see the spot here, it will be a small spot and then slowly and steadily it will progress to a larger area. Slowly and steadily it progresses to a larger area. So this is psoriasis. Itching, severe itching, burning. If you itch too much, then burning will happen. No allergies, no other symptom except the dryness of the skin. Why? The basic pathology of psoriasis is that usually the skin has 7 layers which are very well nourished by the sebum. चमड़ी के नीचे जो ऑयल होता है वो नरिशमेंट देता है चमड़ी को. The sebum nourishes the layers of the skin. In all normal people, the layers of the skin are formed once in 7 days. But in people with psoriasis, especially in this area, the sebum, layers of the skin will form every 2 to 3 days. So what happens? The older layers don't form off and the newer layers pile up. So that is why the sebum doesn't, the sebum is not able to nourish all the layers. That is why the upper layers become dry. So the best treatment for psoriasis is oil application. Too much and regular of oil application is the best treatment for psoriasis, because ultimately sebum is what? Sebum is oil. Other symptoms, no other symptoms. Exposure to similar persons, no exposure, no immunization, no stress levels. हाँ, stress levels में कभी कभी psoriasis does come just as lichen planus comes. Similarly, psoriasis also does come at when stress levels are high. So one of the reasons might be stress levels, but there's no direct correlation. Skin color, skin will become very dry and very, because the skin is inflamed, it will become dark red. So if you see here, here you can see a dark red skin color. Texture, it will be very rough and very dry. Scaling, how do you understand scaling? Take a glass slide, rub the area, you will find fish scale like structures. Those are dead skin cells. So there will be a lot of scaling in psoriasis. Pressure or sensation will not go in psoriasis. Function of the skin remains. There will be no oozing unless and until there is a secondary infection. But yes, you will find old scar marks of psoriasis. So this is psoriasis, and psoriasis is a very irritating disease, especially to those who have. Then we come to dandruff. Dandruff is also known as seborrheic dermatitis if it is more. So dandruff can be this way, where you find it head and shoulders advertised, but it can also be this way. This is a severe dandruff accompanied with seborrheic dermatitis. What is dermatitis? Dermatitis is inflammation of the skin, flaking of the skin. So in this area, if you see, there is a large amount of flaking of the skin. This is the flaking of the skin. Whereas here, there are just small particles of dandruff. So both these are dandruff. Dandruff is known to be a fungal infection of the skin. And just like it is a dry fungal infection of the skin. So what has to be done in dandruff is, first of all, the skin has to be moist, the skin has to be polished, the overloaded skin layers have to be shed off. That is why all the anti-dandruff shampoos are very strong, or rather if you apply limbu ya dahi ka pani ya vinegar to the hair, dandruff goes away. That is because it scrapes off the skin. So this is dandruff, very common in areas, rather only occurring in areas where there is a lot of hair growth. Dandruff is also known to exacerbate other diseases like acne. So if a patient comes with acne, ask whether you have dandruff. Pimples को dandruff बढ़ा देता है. So if you have dandruff, there are chances that you can get pimples, or all patients who come with pimples should be asked for dandruff also. That is why the pimple area, wherever the dandruff falls, the pimple area is a large area. Sometimes the face, that is because the dandruff blocks the oil tubes which come out of the skin, which introduces infection in the oil tubes. So this is one thing. Dandruff. Repetition, yes, it is repetitive. Seasonal, more common in cold seasons. Progress may be there, may not be there. Itching will be there. Burning will not be there. Known allergies, no symptoms. Exposure to similar, not really. Immunization, not related. Stress levels may be there, may not be there. Skin color, there is no difference in skin color, but the overall skin texture is dry. Overall skin texture is dry. There will be scaling, but you need not use a glass slide to view the scaling. The scaling will be visible. Some small scales, some large scales. Okay, so scaling will be clearly visible. Pressure, no symptom. Sensation, no symptom. Function, nothing. Oozing also, unless and until there is a secondary infection, there will not be any oozing, and there will not be any old scar marks also. Okay, so male pattern baldness is a disease which occurs mostly in males, and it happens with a particular pattern. There is a specific pattern for hair loss. Now, male pattern baldness has to be differentiated with alopecia. Alopecia we have seen long back. So, male pattern baldness has to be differentiated with alopecia. Alopecia can occur anywhere, कहीं भी हो सकता है, anywhere where there is hair. So, alopecia can occur here, but male pattern baldness has a typical pattern. So first, the hairline will start regressing. The hairline will start regressing on both the sides. If you see here, both the sides, the hairline will start regressing. So this is one pattern. The other pattern is when the hair tip of the hair starts regressing. Here, here, and then slowly and steadily it becomes bigger and bigger. And when these two meet, see here also the hairline has started regressing. So when these two meet, the hair tip and the hairline start regressing, you get a Purna Chandra. You get a full moon, Purna Chandra. So this is full male pattern baldness. This is male pattern baldness at the back or at the hair tip, and this is a receding temple hairline shift. So all these three constitute to a male pattern baldness. Male pattern baldness is common in males. It is hereditary. The patient will give history that मेरे father को भी था या मेरे मामा को भी था. So it is hereditary. So when it is hereditary, you have to just tell the patient कि आम के झाड़ को आम ही आएंगे. So this is hereditary. There is many a times no, of course. इसमें जमाल गोटा लगाने से कोई यूज नहीं होता, because the hairline is dead or has started regression. Nowadays, there are a lot of treatments which are coming for hair male pattern baldness, which constitute from PSP, plasma serum protein therapy, to hair transplant also. So hair transplant and PSP, all or laser therapy are all things for male pattern baldness which have come up, but the chances of hair survival are very low even after these therapies. Nobody can give you a guarantee. There will not be any, there will be progress which we have